So I'm going to code part of this for you. Not all of it, but part of it. First of all, defining the variables. I am going to use float variables for my accounts because everybody knows that you're not going to just be working in whole dollars. We're going to have dollars and cents, so which is a decimal, which means I need a float. So I'll say float savings, float checking, okay? Now I'm not going to go overboard on the user interface. I'm going to leave that to your creative energy. So I'm just going to say print, welcome to my ATM. And I'll throw a couple of blank lines beneath that. Okay, so here's my main loop. Main loop is just going to be while true, because the only way you're getting out of this loop is if they say, no, I don't want another transaction. Okay, so I'm going to take all of this and indent it a little bit because I want everything in that while true loop to be indented. Okay, so first thing, main menu. Okay, so my menu interface is going to be print, and I'm going to do a triple quote string here so I can have it span multiple lines. I'm going to say enter 1 for withdrawal, enter 2 for deposit. There's nothing that I'm doing right now that we haven't already covered. I want you to think about that. There's nothing new here. The new thing is how I'm putting it all together. So don't be intimidated by that. So I've given them the choices. Now I'm going to ask them for their input. So str menu equals input. What would you like to do? And I'm going to strip whatever they do to make sure we don't get any spaces. So they're going to enter 1 or 2. Now I'm going to use that to branch into withdrawal or deposit. If menu equals 1. Now remember, when they input 1 or 2 here, it's still going to be a string because I didn't convert it. So it's 1 or 2, but as a string. Now I'm going to say elif str menu equals 2. And I'm going to have an else here. The else is if they enter anything other than 1 or 2. So I'm just going to say print, that's not a valid choice. Okay, so they'll either enter 1 or 2, or it's not a valid choice. You chose to make a withdrawal. Now